Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I'll show you how to restart or format your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right there where you have your start menu. Right, click on that and then go ahead and click on settings. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Window and Security right here. Click on that. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to Recovery right here. Click on Recovery. And you are here. Reset this PC. If your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them. And then install Windows. Complete the reset. You will need to be connected to a network and follow the instruction on your PC. For that, go ahead and click on Get Started right here. Then this is going to pop up right here. Restart this PC. Keep my file. Remove apps and settings, but keeps my file. Keeps your personal file. Remove everything. Remove all your personal file apps and settings. So you have to choose the option that is applicable to you. If you want all the information about on the PC to be removed properly and completely, go ahead and click on remove everything. But if you want to keep your files, you just want to remove some of corrupted apps on your PC, go ahead and choose keep my file. So when you select keep my file, follow the prompt and continue, and every corrupted apps will be removed based on your choice you choose right here on your Windows PC, and you start your PC fresh and new. And everything will work perfectly after you are properly restart your Windows PC. It's that simple. So this is a step-by-step guide on how you can restart or format your Windows PC. For more tutorial about how best to use your Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.